Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can overlay a light leak on top of your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video right here. Let's just adjust the ratio first, and I'm going to select this overlay and I'm just going to add it to the video. Then I'll be going to the blend mode here, and I'm just going to select either Brighten or this green one. I think I like the Brighten one a little bit more because it's not too bright. You can use overlay, hardlight. There's a lot of options you can choose from, but I think I prefer the Brighten one the best. And yeah, that is pretty much how you can overlay any light leak video there is on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. You can also go to effects and add in some like retro effects to it to really make the look a little bit better. Okay, maybe not this one, maybe like the noise one or something. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.